Today we're going to talk more about area models. We've already talked about it a little bit with the tables, but we're going to get a little more in depth today. First, we're going to look at some vocabulary. The first one is going to be the definition for area models. So area model is a diagram in which fractions of the area correspond to probabilities in a situation. The next section we have is going to be payoff. A payoff is going to be the number of points or dollars a player in a game receives. For a particular outcome. So now we're going to look at some examples. It says, in the red and blue game, the goal is to choose a red and blue marble in any order. You choose one marble from the first bucket, and then you choose a marble from the second bucket. In bucket 1, you have 1 red, 2 green marbles. So 1 red and 2 green. In bucket 2, you have a marble of each color, a red, a blue, a yellow, and a green. So we want to figure out when you are going to choose a red and a blue marble. And the only time you're going to do that is right here. So out of your 3 times 4, 12 options, you have a 1 out of 12 chance of choosing a red and a blue. Now let's look at our second one. It says, a weatherman is going to be checked for accuracy. If he predicts 50% chance of showers today and a 30% chance tomorrow, what is the probability that it will rain on both days? So what I did first was I drew a 10 by 10 grid. So there is 100 squares here to represent 100%. So the first day, he said there was a 50% chance. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's going to be all of this area right here. 50% chance. It's 50% of this 100 squares. And the second day, he said 30% chance. So 1, 2, 3. What is the probability it'll rain both days? So you can see out of what is the chance that it is going to overlap? And it's 30% that it is going to rain both days. So that's all that we have for today, just using some probability diagrams. Go ahead and make sure you answer those questions on the back of your response sheet that we did in class and bring it tomorrow so we can check. We'll work more with area models specifically tomorrow.